हेलो एवरीवन. सो यस्टरडे हमने अभ्यास सेशन कंडक्ट किया, राइट? सो उनके यस्टरडेज का सेशन का कुछ क्वेश्चन आई हैव जस्ट ट्राई टू मेंशन हियर. ठीक है, तो आप कोशिश करो, दोज हु आर नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ द गोल्ड टाइड प्रीलिम्स टेस्ट सीरीज, यू कैन सी दीज क्वेश्चंस. ये आपको देखने को इधर मिलेगा. नाउ द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू सी हियर, इट टॉक्स अबाउट द among the various energy production methods, which has the lowest and the highest water consumption. So among all these used for the production of energy, so in this you can see some are fossils, some are non fossils, right? तो यहाँ पे I have asked in the process of energy production which has the highest water consumption and which has the lowest water consumption. Very important questions for your prelims examination. These type of questions comes. Okay. अब आप देखो next question which talks about the BRICS and the G7. And now if you see here, the BRICS has the highest. So I have just tried to compare the BRICS and G7. Okay. So in terms of purchasing power parity and in terms of the nominal GDP, which is highest, which is lowest as compared to both nation. Okay, so in the very first statement I have asked about that in terms of purchasing power parity, the BRICS has the higher combined GDP. Okay, and in the terms of the nominal GDP, G7 is larger than the B7. तो आपको ये BRICS and G7, right? तो ये रहा आपका परचेजिंग पावर पैरिटी में ब्रिक्स इज ग्रेटर देन, और आपका अगर नॉमिनल जीडीपी ले तो G7 इज ग्रेटर देन ब्रिक्स. तो यू हैव टू पॉइंट आउट विच स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट, विच स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. नाउ इफ यू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इट टॉक्स अबाउट द फैमिली फार्मिंग, द कंसेप्ट ऑफ फैमिली फार्मिंग. ओके, now see why I am saying you these questions. These questions are not the kind of simply you can find anywhere. नहीं मिलेगा आपको, राइट? इन द एग्जामिनेशन यू हियर, राइट, कि आप एग्जाम देने गए एंड देन यू फाइंड कि क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में कहां से आ रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ यूपीएससी? तो कोई थर्ड प्लैनेट ये से कोई सोर्स नहीं आ रहा है. इट्स फ्रॉम द न्यूज़पेपर, इट्स फ्रॉम द डेली न्यूज. दीज आर ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ योर डेली न्यूज पेपर्स. ओके, सो जो रजिस्टर्ड टेस्ट सीरीज रजिस्टर्ड बच्चे हैं, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग देम एवरीथिंग. सो इफ यू आर नॉट, ट्राई टू फाइंड द आंसर एंड लर्न फ्रॉम दिस स्मॉल वीडियोज. ओके, नाउ इफ यू सी द फैमिली फार्मिंग हियर, अब देखो फैमिली फार्मिंग का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, इट्स लाइक फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज द प्रोडक्शन इज मैनेज्ड बाय द फैमिली रिलायंट ऑन द फैमिली कैपिटल एंड लेबर. मतलब प्रोडक्शन इज मैनेज्ड बाय द फैमिली प्लस the capital and labor to provided by the family only. दूसरा मैंने स्टेटमेंट पूछा है, प्रोडक्शन इज मैनेज्ड बाय द फैमिली बट कैपिटल एंड लेबर इज बाय द स्टेट. ओके, तो इफ यू सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एग्जैक्टली द फैमिली फार्मिंग का जो डेफिनेशन है, द डेफिनेशन इफ यू सी इट हैज बीन एडॉप्टेड बाय द FAO. ओके, नाउ इफ यू सी हियर, प्रोडक्शन विच इज मैनेज्ड एंड ऑपरेटेड बाय द फैमिली reliant on the family capital and labor. Okay, तो आई एम नॉट हियर टू डिस्कस द एक्सप्लेनेशन, बट आपको ये कंसेप्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जानना कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू मीन बाय द फैमिली फार्मिंग. ओके, बिकॉज रिसेंटली इफ यू सी UN डिकेड ऑफ फैमिली फार्मिंग, स्टिल इट इज एक्टिव 2019 to 2028. Okay, now if you see the next question, this a very important species widely used in the medical research. In fact, in the last 4 Nobel prizes, this nematode, this is called nematode species. Okay, it has been used, worm. Okay, in the last 4, even this year, Nobel Prize for medicine, this species was only used, right? So it has some features why this species is always in news while any medical research is there. Or in fact the last 4 Nobel Prize winners, they have used the same species. So there is something special about this. Now this become important for you. Okay, so ये 4 statements are there in front of you. You can find what is special about it. ठीक है, now if you see the next question, it talks about the article 6A recently introduced section, sorry, not article, section 6A in the 1955 Act. Now there are 3 things I have asked. This is for the basic statement. The first is section 6A was introduced before or after the Assam Accord. If you are not clear with the concept, आप इसको गलत करोगे. Okay, now which PM has signed the Assam Accord? And third thing, there are 3 years, 1955, सॉरी 1966, 1971, ये 2 ईयर है, राइट. नाउ one is pre 1966, one is between these 2 years and one is post 1971. तो अगर आप ये सेक्शन 6 से पढ़ेंगे then you will realize that between 1966 और 1977 के बीच में those have come to Assam, right, in these years, right, migrated. So those, उनका criteria क्या है citizenship का, that's what I have asked here. So under section 6A of Citizenship Act, who entered Assam between 66 and 71 are eligible for the citizenship under what condition? So this is a very important concept, and mark my words, definitely this question is going to appear in your UPSC examination next year. Okay, lot of concept is there. If you read the article 7 and 8 will also come into the picture. Okay, article 6 and 7 of the citizenship. So this is what you have to learn. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इफ आई आस्क्ड अबाउट द सोलर रेडिएशन मैनेजमेंट. नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द जियो इंजीनियरिंग, ओके, there are two methods. One is called the solar radiation management, second is called the carbon capture. There are two ways of geo engineering. Okay, now the first statement says, the question I have asked here is solar radiation management. Now if you see here, there are 4 elements I have mentioned here. Which of the following materials are used? A very important question, very important concept. Make sure you know this. Okay, then this is for the today. There are many more, but I have asked only these many questions. तो आपको ये करना पड़ेगा, because it's all about prelims examination is not about कि आप बिल्कुल basic जैसे normally कर रहे हो. You have to find. If you can't find, you have to search someone. Okay, so definitely एक comprehensive preparation है prelims की. Try to enroll and start the prelims as soon as possible. Okay, and tomorrow definitely we are going to celebrate Diwali, but at least 3-4 दिन का break मत लीजिए. It's fine, right? So it's all on you. So चलो आज के लिए इतना ही, and we will see quizzes tomorrow. Today we will publish the daily quiz, and tomorrow again we will publish the daily quiz. There is no break for us, but definitely you can take the break. Thank you so much. We will see you tomorrow.